Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today it's super hot outside. I'm sweating just sitting here. It's like a sauna. It's so hot today. But what if I told you that you can make your own air conditioner at home? Yep, you heard me right. You can have a cooling and very efficient air conditioner system with just a few simple materials. Yep, you heard me right. You can have a cooling and very efficient air conditioner system with just a few simple materials. So I'm going to show you how to build a DIY AC that works really well. Before we begin, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, stick around after this video for some additional DIY projects you can do at home. Alright, now let's get started. Here's what you will need. You will need a small fan. You will need a plastic container or a foam ice chest like this one. You will need ice packs or frozen water bottles. You will also need PVC pipes or cardboard tubes, a cutter, and some tape. That's it. Pretty simple. Alright, now let's build our homemade AC. Step 1, cut 2 holes in the lid of the container. One for the fan and one for the air outlet. You can use whatever type of container you want. Just make sure it's big enough to fit the items inside and to provide enough cooling power. Step 2, place the fan over one hole and secure it with tape. Make sure the fan is facing inwards towards the center of the container. This will allow the fan to push air through the container. Step 3, insert the PVC pipes or cardboard tubes into the second hole. This is where the cool air will come out of. You can use a single large tube or multiple smaller tubes like I'm using. Step 4, fill the container with ice packs or frozen water bottles. You can use whatever type of ice you have available. I'm using ice packs because they're reusable and I already had them on hand. If you don't have ice packs, you can freeze some water bottles and they will work just as well. Step 5, close the lid, turn on the fan, and enjoy the cool air. And that's it. It's really that simple. Let's move this over to my desk area. Here I am, sitting in front of the air conditioner that I just built. The fan is blowing air directly on me and it feels so refreshing. It's actually quite powerful and moves a lot of air. And it's not just me saying that. Take a look at this post-it note. It's actually moving on its own. The fan is pushing a lot of air. This would be great for a small room or even for personal cooling. Now that you know how easy it is to make your own AC, you might be wondering, why would I ever buy one? Well, it's true that you can buy AC units for fairly cheap. However, they can be expensive to run, and they're definitely not as eco-friendly as a DIY option. Plus, there's something satisfying about knowing that you made your own AC that works just as well as store-bought ones. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional AC, consider giving this a try. It's a great way to stay cool without breaking the bank or using harmful chemicals. Just remember to always use caution when working with knives and electricity, and never leave a homemade AC unattended. Alright, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing DIYs and life hacks. Have fun and stay cool. Thanks for watching.